I'm here to show you the kit I added to my stationary Black Widow's motorcycle lift. Makes it real easy to turn this thing around and drive right back out the garage with the greatest of ease. There's 4 locking casters. You got to make sure they're unlocked. Lock the casters back in place. Now you're ready to drive right out of the garage. And if you need to, you can lift this motorcycle up in the air and work on it. I will show you the components that make this possible. Now those red components are all part of the kit. Simply attached to the base to make a carousel with locking casters on it, along with one plate on that edge, simply so you can put the ramp on the opposite side. The manufacturer has it set up for just one side to put a ramp in, and I didn't want to drill holes, so I added a plate, and all your components will still go on to the ramp as designed. Removing the kit will put the lift right back into its original form. For more information on obtaining one of these kits, just look at the email address in the description and inquire about price and availability. Thank you.